Hello guys, welcome back to my other video. Today I am going to say a perfect budget PC build, so let's start the video. Many want a good PC which can run heavy games with constant 60 FPS. But when we think of buying a PC, then the first thing which we think of buying is GT 1030 or GT 710, but to be honest it's a piece of shit. We start searching benchmarks reviews to know which is the best. After a huge research and seeing all the benchmarks, then the main and important thing comes. The processor. Yes guys, you heard it right, it's the processor. When the GPU is good, we need a good processor and a decent motherboard to run the GPU on its best. Or sometimes if we use better graphics card with weak motherboard and processor, it bottlenecks and your computer experience will suck. So I recommend you to consider my build, which has a powerful CPU and it gives you a best experience. You can run games at 60 FPS smoothly. The processor. It's Ryzen 3 2200G. I recommend this processor because it has Vega 8 graphics, is less cost processor. There is not so much difference between Ryzen 3 3200G and 2200G, so we can go for this processor. The motherboard is Gigabyte's A320M motherboard, but if you want to overclock your CPU you can buy B450M motherboard or B350 motherboard. RAM. It's the ADATA 24GB RAMs. This is because dual RAM performs better than one single 8GB RAM stick. Cabinet. It's the Chiptronics Gaming RGB cabinet. If you don't want a RGB cabinet, then you can go for cheaper options. You can even take this cabinet. Keyboard. It's the Antesperts Gaming Keyboard. The mouse. It's the Logitech G102 Gaming Mouse. Overall price is 17,660 rupees with the first cabinet and 18,561 rupees with the second cabinet. Note, in this build any SU HDD or SSD is not included. Included with mouse, the overall build cost is 20,403 rupees. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos.